Take the correct answer. What did the boy, now a man, take from the tree to make a boat? Leaves, trunk, branches, roots. Trunk. Why do you think the boy wanted money? To buy games, to see movies, to buy clothes, to buy chocolates. To see movies, to buy clothes. What, according to you, was the most precious thing the tree gave to the boy or man? Apples, branches, trunk, stump. Stump. What did the boy do under the tree? The boy slept under the tree. Why did the boy not want to climb the tree and swing from the branches? The boy did not want to do because he felt that he was too big to climb and play. मीन्स वो बॉय जो था उसे रियलाइज़ हो जाता है कि मैं बहुत बड़ा हो गया हूँ, अब मैं इस पर कूदना या मैं इस पर झूल नहीं सकता और खेल नहीं सकता. What did the tree give the boy instead of money? The tree gave the boy its apples and instead of money. Why did the boy, now young man, need a house? The boy, now young man, was getting married and wanted a house to live in with his wife and children. अब जो वो बॉय था वो अब यंग मैन हो गया है और उसकी शादी हो गई. ही वांटेड अ हाउस. उसे एक घर चाहिए था जिसमें वो अपनी बीवी और बच्चों के साथ रह सके. Why did the little boy visit the tree every day? The little boy visited the tree every day because he enjoyed its company. और जो वो छोटा सा बच्चा था, वो लिटिल बॉय था, वो हर रोज़ ट्री के पास इसलिए जाता था, उसे मिलने इसलिए जाता था क्योंकि वो उसकी कंपनी पसंद करता था और एंजॉय भी करता था. Why do you think the tree was happy to see the boy after some years? The tree missed the little boy and was happy to see him again. जो ट्री था वो उसे बहुत मिस कर रहा था लिटिल बॉय को, इसलिए वो उसे वापस से देखे बहुत खुश था. The tree was so happy that it could hard speakly. If you had been the tree, what you have been? Sad, angry, happy, disappointed. Happy. Reason, I would have felt happy to give everything I had to others. Means reason, give reason to support your answer. Because I would have felt happy, जब मैं खुश होऊंगा अगर मैं किसी को कुछ दूंगा. Write 2 describing words for each. Tree, kind and helpful. Boy, greedy and selfish. Who do you think was a better living being, the tree or the man? Discuss. The tree was a better living being because it loved the boy selflessly and helped the boy at all stages of his life. On the other hand, the boy became very selfish as he grew older. He did not realize even once that he had exploited the giving tree. जो पेड़ था, the tree was a better living being because it loved the boy selflessly and helped the boy at all stages of his life. जो पेड़ था वो it was a better living being, वो बहुत ही अच्छा living being था क्योंकि वो उस बॉय को selflessly प्यार करता था और हमेशा हेल्प करता था उसकी लाइफ की हर स्टेज में. On the other hand, the boy became very selfish as he grew older. और जो बॉय था वो बहुत ही सेल्फिश बन गया था जैसे जैसे कि वो बड़ा होते जा रहा था. He did not realize even once that he had exploited the giving tree. और उसे ये रियलाइज़ भी नहीं हुआ, वो इतना सेल्फिश बन गया था कि उसे ये रियलाइज़ भी नहीं हुआ कि उसने उस पेड़ को एक्सप्लॉइट कर दिया, मीन्स ख़राब कर दिया, क्योंकि हर बार वो ट्री के पास आके कुछ ना कुछ मांग लेता था और ट्री हमेशा उसे देता था. Reference to context. I want a boat to take me away. Who said this to whom? This was said by the boy to the tree. Why did the speaker want a boat? The boy wanted to go on a business trip and wanted a boat to take him away. वो जो लड़का था उसे एक बिजनेस ट्रिप पर जाना था, इसलिए उसे एक बोट चाहिए थी जो उसे लेके जिससे वो जा सके. Did the speaker get the boat? Yes, the boy got the boat. What happened next? The tree offers the boy to cut down his trunk and make a boat. और जो ट्री था वो उसे ऑफ़र करता है कि तुम मेरे जो ट्रंक को वो काट लो और उससे बोट बना लो. Number the following words as they would appear in the dictionary. BRANCH branch, BUILD build, BUSINESS business, BUSY busy. डिक्शनरी में जो सारे वर्ड्स जो होते हैं मीन्स वो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर पे सब अरेंज होते हैं, इसलिए अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर के अरेंज वाइजेज हमें BRANCH ब्रांच वो हमें पहले मिलेगा, BUILD बिल्ड वो हमें सेकेंडली मिलेगा, देन थर्ड BUSINESS बिजनेस, देन फोर्थ BUSY बिजी. Now here is a lesson number 1. Revision is finished. In the next session we are going to start lesson number 2. I hope this video will help you to learn at home. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning and watching this video. Stay tuned till our next session. Bye bye. Take care.